Yes, I have three, I think three structures, advanced English structures.
Yeah, okay,
Which,
then you can discuss.
so let's start. Okay. अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं एक
What are you doing to increase your vocabulary? What kind of work you are working?
Yes, this times I am working on my vocabulary. Actually, I watch English, video, and there are so many YouTube. I think so many, videos on YouTube, and then I watch and I write down in my notebook, and then I try to use in my conversation. So then I,
Okay,
automatically I started reminding. Yes,
okay. So do you have any vocabulary right now?
this times.
Yeah,
Yes, I have three, I think two, three structures, advanced English structures,
yeah, okay.
which
Then you can discuss
which
here.
I written down. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Actually, first structures I have at the behest of. Do you know?
Ad hoc.
At the behest of.
Don't know.
At the behest of its meaning in Hindi के कहने पर कि के कहने पर जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि मैंने उसके कहने पर इंग्लिश सीखना शुरू किया. So
Okay.
then we can say in English, I started learning English at the behest of her and him.
Okay.
Yes. So, and another structures I have on the pretext of. On
Pretext
the,
of.
yes, do you know?
No, I don't know.
On the pretext of, I think, के बहाने.
अच्छा के बहाने.
के बहाने, एज वी से इन हिंदी, जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं ना कि मैंने आई थिंक गलती करने के बहाने से मैंने इंग्लिश सीखना छोड़ दिया. आई स्टॉप्ड लर्निंग इंग्लिश ऑन द प्रीटेक्स्ट ऑफ मेकिंग द मिस्टेक.
Okay.
एंड अनदर थिंग, एंड अप, एंड अप. This is a also advanced English structures. End up means it means in Hindi.
Finish.
Yes. Do you know it? Do you know?
Finish. End up means finish.
Yes. End up means finally result. Finally result. Actually, when
Okay.
जब हम बोलते हैं ना मैं बाजार गया बुक खरीदने के लिए, बट आखिरकार मैंने क्या खरीद लिया? मैंने लैपटॉप खरीद लिया. As I want to learn English book, but
Okay.
ended up watching the laptop. So you can
Okay.
use on these structures, on this situation.
Okay.
Yes.
In there
And
and
yes, please. Another thing, feel up. Feel up.
okay.
Feel up too. It's mean ताकत. ताकत होना. Actually, मेरे पास समझने की ताकत है.
Okay.
I feel up to getting
Okay.
the point. Yes, you can use.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Actually, ma'am, if you want to talk to me with one topic, so please before having the conversation, tell me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, this times my conscious mind is not working, so that time my
Yeah. Okay.
conscious
No
thing,
problem.
doesn't get the work proper.
Okay. No problem.
Yes. Yes. So do you have any topic, any, structures? Do you have any structures?
No, right now don't have any. If you have, then you can. I don't have.
Actually, do you know Chandan Singh?
Sorry?
Chandan Singh?
No, I don't know. Who is he?
He's a tutor. He
No, I
teaches
don't.
English. Actually, that tutor is very good.
Okay. I don't know
You
about
can
him.
follow. Yes, yeah, you can follow his. Actually, that person have the rapid fire, have the role play as a mention the, I think mention the English structures, new advanced English structures, and vocabulary, because there are so many techniques to learn English.
Okay, you can give me him say channel link.
Okay, I will definitely send the channel. Yes.
Okay
So
then.
definitely you should follow and then apply on
Okay then.
those techniques. So definitely you will be no, actually you can speak English well. I'm not, I'm not telling to you because you are not good. Actually already you know very well. But I am telling to you, you should follow Chandan Singh, to Chandan
Yeah.
Singh.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Actually, I think, do you know Jyoti? No, Jyoti, no. I think she's belong to Delhi. I don't know, but she knows very well English.
Okay.
Already,
Don't know.
she has learned English through Chandan Singh because
Okay.
I watched her video with the Chandan Singh.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay
So
then.
yes. So can we have the rapid fire for improving English?
Yeah. Definitely.
Yes. So first, you can start. You
Okay.
can start
It means
first.
okay. You will start. Then I will start. Okay. Start.
Okay. So let's start. Okay. अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते तो मैं एक घर खरीदता.
If I have money, then I will buy a house.
No, actually, so that time you can use in conditional. I think this is a conditional, and you can
Okay.
say if I had.
Okay. If I had.
I think I had money, so I would not will would.
Okay. I
I
will.
would
I would buy a house.
I would purchase a house. Yeah, buy a house.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
yes. And मुझे मैसेज मिला. I think this
I
is a
got
passive.
yeah. I got message.
I got received message. Yes. Yeah. You can say I was received a message.
Okay. I was received a message.
Yes. And another thing, मुझे डांटा गया. मुझे डांटा गया.
Scold by me. No,
No, no.
scolded by me.
Actually, this is a passive.
Yeah.
मुझे डांटा गया. I was scolded by other people's. You know.
Okay.
I
I was
think it's not
scolded by other.
important because you should tell the name. This is a not
Okay.
important. Yes, you
Okay.
can say as I was scolded.
Okay.
Yes, and बच्चों को पढ़ाया जा रहा है. बच्चों को पढ़ाया जा रहा है. This is a also passive in the passive.
Studied by children. Studied to children by someone.
No, actually this is a correct sentence. Children were being taught.
Okay. Children
Children
were
were. Children are,
being.
sorry, पढ़ाया जा रहा है. Children are being taught.
Okay. Children are being taught.
Yes. And another thing you can say, uh, yes, मुझे मैसेज मिला. No, no. I think मुझे मैसेज मिला. Yes, मुझे मैसेज
I
मिला.
received a message. I received a message.
You can say I have been received the message.
Yeah, I had been. Okay.
I I have been received the message.
Okay.
Yes. So now your turn. You can ask me any question.
अगर जैसे मैं यह काम 4 घंटे से कर रहा हूँ.
I have been working for 4 hour.
आज मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है.
I am not well today.
ओके. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
तुम क्या खाना पसंद करोगे?
Do you like to eat?
What would you like to
Yes,
eat?
yeah, yes, yeah. What do you like to eat?
या ओके.
Yes.
ओके. हम लोग आज खूब इंजॉय करेंगे.
हम we will enjoy a lot.
We will do lots of fun. Yeah.
Yes, lots of fun. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Thank
And another thing, so please explain. I give the one words, and after that, you will explain that word. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first word I have, education.
Education.
Yes.
Education is it's a very important part for a human. It's through education man can become a socialized. Through education he can learn how to behave with someone. He also illiterate, and he learn how to earn money and how to live in a society. That's all.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
because of education, man and animal defend each other.
Yes. Okay. So money. Another
Yeah,
words. Money.
money. Money we can say is a very powerful, because in this era, through money we can buy anything. People who don't have any money, who don't have money, they don't get respect from their society and their family. And
Yes.
if they have money, they can get respect from their elders and their neighbor and their society. That's all.
Yes. And another thing, parents. Parents.
Yeah, parents is the most important part of any child. Because of him, they play important role to born a child and raise a child, and
Okay.
they play everything in a to build a child future.
Okay. Okay. Nice. And another thing, you can explain in Hindi unconscious mind. Do you know unconscious mind?
Don't know.
Okay, unconscious mind, because I don't know more much. I think I because I think proper meaning, unconscious mind, because when I speak, so that times automatically, words comes through our mind.
Okay.
So that time I I think I can say unconscious mind.
Yeah.
From unconscious mind you can speak. Actually I
Okay.
am not, I think I'm not good. I think
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, because I don't know more
Yeah,
much,
because
but I
we
can
are learner, we are
understand.
learning. So don't.
Priyanka ji, when you are interested to talk to me, anytime you can call me. After after connect, have the conversation, please send me any topic.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you
Okay.
can send me
Okay.
any topic, and then we can. So actually, because when I start a conversation with any topic, so that times my unconscious mind is, doesn't get work proper.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I
Okay.
don't, because
Okay.
this is a very big problem for me. Because
Okay.
that
Okay.
times
No
I
problem.
couldn't, I couldn't understand how to
Yeah.
say.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay.
okay,
Nice talking
okay,
to you. Okay.
okay,
Good
okay.
day.
Thank you. Nice to talk to you. Thank you. Bye.